Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Well, a bird, bird.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts. And I am too sexy for Milan. Too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan.
Yo, whoa, why are you taking me, man?
And I'm too sexy for your party. Too sexy for your party. No way I'm disco dancing. I'm a new model. You know what I mean? And I do my little turn on the catwalk. Yeah, on the catwalk. On the catwalk. Yeah, I do my little turn on the catwalk.
You actually go
I'm too sexy for my car. Too sexy for my car. Too sexy by far. And I'm too sexy for my hat. Too sexy for my hat. What do you think about that? You know what I mean? And I do my little turn on the catwalk. Yeah, on the
Get violent, man.
on the catwalk. Yeah, I shake my little touch on the catwalk.
Nice.
Too sexy for my, too sexy for my, too sexy for my. I'm a model, you know what I mean, and I do my little turn on the catwalk. Yeah, on the catwalk.
How you down, Eric?
Yeah, on the catwalk.
Hold it.
Yeah, I shake my little tush on the catwalk. I'm too sexy for my cat. Too sexy for my cat. Poor pussy. Poor pussy cat. I'm too sexy for my love. Too sexy for my love, love.